Welcome! In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to mute a group on WhatsApp using the PC app, perfect for those moments when you just need a little peace without leaving the chat altogether. Whether you're working, studying, or simply trying to avoid constant notifications, this new update makes it simpler than ever. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. You can either use the desktop program or the web version. The steps are exactly the same. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of recent chats on the left side of the screen. Next, find the group you want to mute. Scroll down the list if you need to, or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you've located the group, move your cursor over its name. Now, right-click on the group. A small menu will appear with several options. From that list, click on Mute. You'll now see a few different time periods you can choose from. WhatsApp gives you 3 options: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Select the one that best fits your needs. Finally, click on Mute again to confirm your choice. That's it. Your selected group is now muted, meaning you won't get notification sounds or alerts while it's muted, but don't worry, you can still open the chat anytime and read or send messages as usual. If you ever change your mind, you can unmute the group by right-clicking on it again and selecting unmute. It's just as easy to do. Muting a group is a simple way to stay focused without missing out on what's important. With this update, WhatsApp's desktop experience feels smoother and gives you more control over how you manage your conversations. Thanks for watching.